Here I am with the Pi 7. I'm still setting up the SDC, the speed differential control. I haven't got that all set up yet, but that's okay. I've been fighting with it just a little bit, trying to get the timing correct, and wondering whether or not it's the geometry that's causing the timing to not be correct. I'm starting to think that maybe it is. But one of the things that we've been discussing in the inertial propulsion workshop is whether or not position this way makes a big difference. And I think that, quite honestly, having it the way it is right now is hindering it. I think it should be this way, but out here, so the pivot will have to be placed on one side or the other. We'll get rid of this. We'll have to have a new one if necessary. So what I want to do, what my consideration is at this point, is to remove one of these pins, which they don't slide the super easiest because they are a very tight fit, which there's nothing wrong with a good tight fit on it. All right, and this will work. The nice thing with tapping it down with something like this, when it gets all the way to the bottom, nothing just falls out. The pin doesn't fall, and neither does the weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand underneath. Remember that these are partially filled with shot, so some shot is expected to run out. Oh yes, and it did, and that's okay. I have some of the shot right here, and now I've got to find a good place to keep that where it doesn't roll away on me. And a nice magnet tray works. Okay, so if I was to put this back in there, just to keep it from leaking stuff out all over the place, what I'm talking about is having it this way, where it would swing like this. This is one of the discussions we're having in the inertial propulsion workshop over the last week or so. Feel free to join us over there. The link is in the description below, or I will put a QR code up on the screen for those of you watching on a bigger screen and want to go there on your phone. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Everybody, please be good to each other and be good to yourself. Bye now.